Welcome back viewers, this is Shweta. Today I am at Sai World Empire, a project which defines ultra luxury kind of a feeling, and yes, because this is based on an emperor theme which is lovely and it's one of my favorite project too. So we'll be talking about this particular lovely project that we have right in Kharghar. So guys, right now I'll be explaining you the model wherein you will understand the project details in depth. So this is the main entrance of the project. The project is located in sector 36 Kharghar. The total land bank of this project is of 18 acres, out of which 11 acres is completely kept for all the amenities and the open space area, and only in the remaining 7 acres the construction is been done. Out of which over here there are total 6 towers. The 3 towers named as Caesar, Alexander and Napoleon. So this is G plus 40 story towers that you can see over here. The view will be of Kharghar Hill, which is an amazing view and an uninterrupted view that you will be having, and the mountains with the very beautiful sunset, because all these windows, all this side is a west facing apartment. You will have a very good breeze on this side and a pretty sunset facing the mountain. Total 1600 houses है, 1600 families रहेंगे यहाँ पे, जिसमें से 800 is in phase 1 and 800 houses are in phase 2. Out of which, if I will talk about the possession timeline, phase 1 is getting delivered next year in October, that is October 2022. 95% of the work is already done for phase 1. Talking about phase 2 is going to have a possession in May 2025. So you can select your house as per your possession requirement. These 3 towers on this side are named as Cleopatra, Charles and Elizabeth. So now talking about the amenities of the project, the lifestyle that has been promised over here. So we'll take a look about it. If we come near the main entrance of the project, the main gate, okay, so यहाँ पे ये जो space है, the space that you can see over here, the mall is going to come of Paradise Group, which will be of G plus 2 level, and basement will be for the car parking. So here around 98 shops will be there inside the mall, and there will be all international brands plus other brands inside the mall, so you can have a facility and access for everything that you are looking for. This is your multipurpose sports stadium. Moving ahead towards the podium, that is your Colosseum open air theatre. This is your kids play area over here, and there will be 6 water bodies which will be in a way. One will be your temperature control pool for toddlers, one will be your wave pool with the slides in it, one will be for your rain dance theme, one is your Olympic size swimming pool, one is your kids pool, and one is your sunken bath which will be viewing towards the cafe. Now talking about this clubhouse. This clubhouse is named as Club Athena. In this there will be indoor games, indoor activities like gymnasium, indoor game section, indoor playing area. So all this will be inside the Club Athena. So this is a very beautiful project which covers all your amenities, luxury, lifestyle, necessity, everything is there under one roof that you will be getting here if you buy your house over here. So guys, this was your model explanation. Now moving ahead towards the sample flat, wherein you can see the flat for yourself and have a glimpse about it. So let's get started. So right now we are entering inside the actual lobby of the building. You can see the glimpse, how royal, how British feeling, how rich you'll feel when you have a house over here. Guys, this is the actual lobby. Imagine you are living in this kind of a flat जिसकी lobby ऐसी है, जब आप enter कर रहे हो सीरियसली आपको 5 स्टार काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग नहीं आएगी तो मुझे नहीं पता और क्या हो सकता है बेस्ट टर्म इसको रिलेट करने के लिए. इवन आई से नॉट इवन 5 स्टार, एक मुगल एम्परर, एक जब हम रॉयल पैलेस में एंटर करते हैं सो वो टच, वो फील दिया हुआ है पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में. ये आपकी एक्चुअल लॉबी रहने वाली है. ये अभी जो हमारी एक बिल्डिंग है उसकी ये एक्चुअल लॉबी है जिसका नाम है ट्रेजर. सो नाउ फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द विशिंग फाउंटेन, देन विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द एक्चुअल फ्लैट. So this is a very pretty wishing fountain right over here, and now we are moving towards the actual flat. So this is your left lobby area, and we have got 4 fully high speed automated elevators inside the towers. So this is your grand lift lobby area. I mean, I'm just loving it. हर एरिया मुझे इतना ग्रैंड लग रहा है, इतना ब्रॉड लग रहा है. Imagine this is your lobby, your actual lobby. You can wait here till the time the lift comes. Any which is it's a high speed lift. आपको वेट करने की तो ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी और इसमें टोटल 4 लिफ्ट्स है. So guys, now we are standing inside the actual building. This is your actual lobby space and इसी तरीके से आपको सेम तरीके से डिलीवर होगा क्योंकि ये एक्चुअल बिल्डिंग ही है. So basically जो भी लोग, anybody who is buying a 3 BHK apartment, they are getting this space from here till the entire house. You can see till there you get this entire private space. So you can see this space is your private lobby space completely. You can see how spacious it is and how much space you are getting. You can keep your things over here, you can design it, decorate it the way you want, make it as lavish, as beautiful as you want. So from here we will be entering inside the 3 BHK apartment. So yes, this is the finishing, this is the final look and feel of the apartment that you will be getting if you buy a house here. This will be the tiles, this will be the paint color, ceiling would be like this. So of course the lighting will not be the part of it, but rest of the things remain same. The door you can see, as I said, it is a 8 feet door. You can see the ceiling height over here, which is in front of you. So yes, as I was just about to mention you in the another video, now I am mentioning you here that you will be having certain ventilation windows too inside the house, which you can see on near the dining area. There is a ventilation window given over here on this side, apart than the regular window or the balcony that you are having inside your 3 BHK hall. So that is your balcony area. So this is how big your balcony is, which we have already seen in that video. Still I'd like to show you because this is the actual one that you will be getting. This big is your 3 BHK balcony area. Quite big. And you can see the finishing of the windows that you are getting. Everything is very similar to the one that we saw in the sample flat. So I just love the finishing, I just love the work that is there, because this entire thing is made of My1. Guys, when you will visit to the actual site, you will see, obviously we have put a glimpse of those towers in the video as well. The finishing, the work, the construction quality that you are getting in this house, in this brand, in this Paradise Group project, it is outstanding. Now entering inside the first bedroom, first actual bedroom finishing and look. See, it is very similar to the one that we saw. The size and everything is very similar. You can see the window side. So here in this first bedroom, you are getting this flower bed area where you can keep your plants very nicely, and there's a grill ahead to this. I'll just show you. See, here there's a grill. This is your flower bed area for keeping all your fancy beautiful pots, because that highlights the look and feel of the house, and it's good for health too. This is your kitchen. अब आके खुद ही देख लीजिए किचन कितना ब्रॉड है, मतलब अब you are now inside the actual flat, तो आप खुद अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए देख लीजिए. And there is again, which I just told, there is a big dry balcony given over here inside the house. And all the white goods that we mentioned, there is an exhaust on that side, there is a water purifier over here, there is a stainless steel sink given over here, your like gas stove and the chimney. Of course, everything is branded. This is your little basin over here, which is very pretty and very perfect in size, with a glass given over here. There's a washroom on this side, which is a common washroom. You can see there's a partition door, and there's a very big window for your ventilation purpose. There's a very big space over here for your storage you can utilize. Right now I cannot show you how big it is, but when you'll come personally visit, please come and visit this. This is very big space that you are getting, which is not included in your carpet area. Again, this side of the house, look for yourself, quite very big, very lovely. This is your third bedroom area from here, an attached washroom on this side with all the control panels. Like this you will be receiving inside your flat, the fittings, finishing, the control panels of the shower room, same as it is. This big is your third bedroom, very lovely, with a very big balcony on this side of the house. Also, if you'll see, as I said, there is a cross ventilation window as it was there in the hall. There is one more on this side of the room, which is very good for a cross ventilation when in the daytime or in the night time your house will be very breezy. So guys, now talking about the location of this project. This project comes directly in sector 36 Kharghar. It is a prime location of Kharghar. Reason being, यहाँ पे बहुत ही nearby there is a metro station. The trials for the metro station has already been done. Very soon the metro trains will start from here. Secondly, there is a tunnel road which is getting constructed from Kharghar to Vashi, wherein in future आपका Kharghar से Vashi travel करना will be around 15 to 20 minutes, which is quite very good. Also, anybody looking to live in a very peaceful, beautiful location covered with mountains and greenery, this is the ideal location for them to have a luxury meet at a very good view. This is the ideal location, guys, I'll really tell you. Also, for someone who is looking to upgrade their lifestyle to live at a very good location, why Kharghar? Because here there is a golf course very near to the project. There's always also a Central Park, which is the Asia's biggest Central Park in Kharghar, very close to the project. Also, there are wide roads, a hustle-free, traffic-less location to live in. Also, the gentry, the crowd matters a lot, which is very good in Kharghar location. So, this is the ideal location for anybody comes under this criteria. So guys, now let's talk about a favorite question that comes in everybody's mind when they see a particular video or a project. Why should we buy a house over here in this particular project? So let me tell you, anybody looking for a very big carpet size, which is hard to find in the nearby projects or nearby location, for them this is the ideal location, because as I said, your 2 BHK is almost 900 carpet, like 878 ke around ka carpet hai. Secondly, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs are having a very giant space. Someone want a walking wardrobe, a space सिर्फ रहना नहीं है, just don't want to keep the wardrobe and the bed and your bedroom getting exhausted. For those kind of a people, there's a separately designed walking wardrobe, your bedroom space, your wardrobe space. Apart than that, there's a space for you to keep your chairs and center table, and also in the hall, a giant space hall wherein any guest coming in the house is having a separate area for sitting. This kind of a lifestyle wherein you feel very premium, rich, royal, luxurious. So for them this is the ideal location. As I've also mentioned in the start, there is a mall inside the project which will be having international brands, other brands, which will be right at your doorstep. You do not have to go hunting for them, they are rightly available inside your premises. I mean, this is the best thing. If I want to live somewhere wherein if I can easily buy that place, that house over there, I will really look for something this kind of a project, no doubt, because nothing is getting compromised, not even a single thing. See, where you live, where you invest your money, you will always look for something which is very premium in construction quality terms as well. So for that, when you visit the site, you yourself will witness whatever I am saying. It is an ideal location for all the purchasers looking for this kind of an apartment. So go ahead, book your site visit, call on the given number, download your floor plan, brochures and pricing from the given description link, and come here and book your premium luxurious, a royal theme based emperor apartment. Thank you so much. In fact, I'll say suite rather than apartment. Thank you so much for watching this video.